Bye, sweetie pie. I'm gonna go play in the snow. All right. Wow. Look how deep it is out there. See what we're working with. Woohoo! Holy, look at the drift over here. It's like 3 feet right there. Nice, you guys found a shovel? I can go see if I can maybe shovel out around our van. Not that I need to now because it's still snowing, but. You're lighting up. I think you kind of stay on top a little better than I do. Here, Lynn claims she's stuck. Hey, thanks for the path. Thanks for making the path, Levi. How are my little Swedish wool-wearing children? The moment of truth to see if the snowplowmen were kind enough to not hit our van. And also, no, just mainly that. That's all I really care about. Here we are. I can't believe in literally like 12, 14 hours they've plowed and now there's like a 3 to 4 foot high wall blocking our van, and that won't be hard at all to shovel out when we do need to leave. So it's nice to know they are plowing these roads really well. So we should be able to check out when we need to check out. Look at our van. Oh my gosh. Isn't that funny? I know for some people who live in way more northern climates, they're like, yeah, that's not really a big deal at all, but it's pretty funny to us. I gotta open the driver's door probably because we do need to get some water for today. So all of our spring drinking water is in there. Ready?
Go.
Oh, let's go for the team. Way to go.
Now, Dad, let's go.
What are your plans, mister? What are your plans with that?
On I-33.5. Ah! You got me, bub. Not my special pants from Dusseldorf. Oh, that one hit me where it counts.
Oh no, he's coming. Oh. I just gotta say, I am extra glad we got this Airbnb for a few nights. Because if we were in the van, we would have just driven south probably and gotten out of the snowstorm, which would have been fine, but it's really cool. Yeah, it's really cool to be in it and in a house, you know, with all the amenities of normal life. Yep.
Did you see?
Cadence has been eating snow for a solid 2 minutes. Cadence is just eating out like a little burrow around him. He's gonna have a lot of yellow snow. Which reminds me of today's made-up sponsor of this video.
Today's sponsor is by Yellow. You know?
Have you heard of urine therapy? Well, if you're as crazy as me and you have you heard of frozen urine therapy? Yellow is the all-natural way to utilize your resources when you're stuck in the middle of nowhere in a snowstorm. I know it might sound disgusting, but just imagine it being a lemon-flavored snow cone, just like you used to enjoy back in the day. Yellow, the way to go when you're in the snow. Now, back to our video. Hey, you enjoying those icicles? So I guess the antifreeze in the van is not working well. I'm on a strict regimen to perform at least one dad joke per day. It's helping me.
You know what queens say? Sweetie, please. Alright.
You know, I thought I was gonna have to come out here and do all this work, but The kids love working in the snow. This is awesome. I must say, there's like perfect temperatures out here. Just cold enough for it to be snowing, but warm enough to be out here for a long time, and it just feels perfect. I'm pretty good at guesstimating measurements, and I'm pretty sure this is just where there was dirt and gravel. I think we're looking at like, I would say at least 18 inches. Let's use my leg as a measurement tool. So this is straight to the ground, about almost to the top of my calf. Marilyn's now taking a nap. It really has gotten really comfortable over the last few minutes. I've been shoveling, so now I'm worked up a little sweat. Marilyn's just basking. The sun's coming out a little bit actually right now, while it's still snowing. All right, well, we just dug out the front of the van a little bit, but now we're all gonna head in for hot chocolate and Paw Patrol. I'm a little bit behind on the latest episode, so, you know, I'd like to catch up. Whew, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when I was eating the snow.
Yeah, eating the snow. And you took a nap. That was crazy. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready to go snuggle inside?
Yeah.
Well, this has been fun. We had a blast out here.
That icicle for me so I can lick it. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Bye.
I was just saying how smart your mother is, so that she brought snow clothes, like winter clothes,
Yeah.
in our van on this trip, because we got rid of so many things, but she decided to keep just a pair of snow pants for each of you.
Yeah.
in Florida doing it.
Yeah, we're in
Did you
Florida.
know that I was having a nap in the snow when I was dreaming about where I was sleeping in a bed, but I was sleeping in the snow?
That's so cool. It was beautiful out there. Well, it's day number 3 and it's time for us to leave the Airbnb. So let's see if I can get this out. Well, the van started up, so that's a good start. Now I'm gonna get ready to pull it out. All right, here we go, guys. Moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Let's go, Betsy! I think we missed a spot.
Until next time, this is Kata, and I'm Marilyn, and this is Lidia. Keep living, thriving, and building.